Delhi is set for a significant economic boost following the GST Council's latest tax rationalization. By reducing rates across essentials, automotive parts, insurance, hospitality, footwear, furniture, wellness, printing and stationery, the reforms will lower consumer prices by 6 to 12%, ease household budgets and strengthen the MSME ecosystem. Households will feel the benefits immediately. Everyday staples like milk, paneer, ghee and butter are now more affordable. For instance, a 200-gram pack of paneer priced at 90 rupees is now available for around 85.7 rupees, while ghee moves from 12% to 5% GST. Health and life insurance premiums, previously taxed at 18%, are now fully GST-free, offering families direct savings and enhanced financial security. Delhi's automobile hubs in Karol Bagh and Kashmiri Gate, part of a major national distribution network, gain as GST on parts drops from 28% to 18%, reducing vehicle maintenance costs by approximately 7.8% and improving competitiveness for organized traders. The hospitality sector benefits at hotel rooms below 7,500 rupees per night now attract only 5% GST, making stays about 6.25% cheaper, while lower GST on key kitchen inputs stabilizes menu prices and improves profitability for restaurants and caterers. Footwear and leather goods with key markets in Karol Bagh, Sadar Bazaar, Narayana and Okhla now enjoy GST at 5%, lowering consumer prices and supporting artisans and traders. Furniture makers in Kirtinagar and Panchkuya Road benefit as Bamboo, Cane and Ratan Furniture also draw 5% GST, while beauty and wellness services become more affordable, aiding women-led MSMEs. Printing, packaging and stationery items are now largely at 0 to 5% GST, easing costs for schools, small manufacturers and e-commerce sellers. From Mother Dairy in Patparganj to Chandni Chowk and Kirtinagar, these reforms reduce cost, stimulate demand and strengthen livelihood, driving Delhi closer to Viksit Bharat 2047.